Did your landlord or letting agent try to keep your money for no good reason? Most times they complain that you did not clean the house professionally, or that you damaged something that is even bound to happen due to normal wear and tear. And most people lose their money because they don't know what to do. Don't panic. In the UK, you're protected by law, and I'm going to show you exactly how to claim back your money step by step. If this kind of video is what you're interested in, stay with me and watch till the end, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I've actually seen so many people lose their money because they don't know what to do, and I've helped my friends to claim back their money because I have a personal experience. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you're supposed to do in 5 simple steps. Step 1, check where your deposit is protected. Most landlord or letting agents in the UK will protect your deposit money using DPS, Deposit Protected Scheme. If your money is protected using DPS, it's very easy for you to go back and claim your money. Step 2, request a full breakdown of deduction. So when you're moving out in a house and your landlord says that you've damaged this, you've damaged that, don't allow them to just say it over the phone, okay? Request for a full breakdown of the deduction. It should be in writing. Most times they will send you an email stating out all those things. Step 3, dispute the charges through the deposit scheme. You can raise a free dispute through the protection scheme, and most times tenants win by just providing a basic evidence. So it's advisable for you to take photograph of the house when you're moving in and when you're moving out, because these are the evidence that you will submit once you dispute it online. This leads us to step 4, which is providing evidence. You need to take photos when you move in and out, and if there is anything that is damaging in the house while you're living there, it's also good to take photos of them, because some of these things, it may be that you complained to the landlord or to the letting agent and they did not fix it. So now that you're moving out, they will want to use your money to fix those things. So it's always good to take those pictures. They are the evidence that you have that you will submit. Step 5, be patient and firm. So this process will take time, but you have to be patient. As long as you've submitted your evidence, most times they rule in favor of the tenants, okay? Because they're going to judge both sides fairly, but most times the tenant wins. So I'm going to share my personal story, okay? There was a time we were moving out from our previous house, and the landlord / the letting agent, they told us that they'll be claiming all the deposit money because it's £721. So they said that we are going to lose our deposit money because we have damaged so many things in the house. They also went ahead to list a whole lot of things ranging from the bathroom. They talk about the molds, they talk about the grout on the tiles, they talked about the paintings on the walls, talked about the carpet, because my child, wrote something on the carpet, but it's just like a little part of the room where she wrote something on the carpet. So because of that, they claimed a whole lot of money. They talked about the garden, said that we didn't clear the garden very well, that there are weeds and all of that. So they kind of made up the money, like they divided the £721 so that all of these claims they have listed will take money that will consume all the £721, if that makes sense. So they said we are going to lose that money. So at that point I was very mad, because actually I know that I used all my energy to clean that house. Like I tried to keep that house back to the condition where it was when we moved in, right? So now after all my effort, they want to claim all the money. So what's the point of even cleaning the house? What's the point of even stressing myself to arrange the house? So I started contacting few friends, friends that I know that have moved houses. I was asking them, what happens to your deposit money when you moved out? But all of the people that I reached out to said that their landlord or their agents claimed the money. Okay, they didn't even do anything, and I'm like, no, I'm not going to let this slide. Okay, then before I even know what was happening, I received an email, and it was from DPS, and they were telling me that my landlord has claimed all the money and that I have the right to dispute. Wow, that was when I said, oh my God, I'm disputing. So I went online and I had to claim back all the money I disputed. I said no, that all the things that the landlord listed that I've done, that is not true. For example, if they said that because my child has written something on the rug that we are going to pay for it, I had to go online and dispute it and say that that rug was actually in a very bad condition when we moved in. So that was how I reacted to all the things they claimed, okay? At the end of the day, because we did not reach an agreement, an adjudicator had to step in, okay, to decide on the case. After they settled the case, they paid us £541, and they paid the agent £179. Okay, so this is like the list of the things. This is what they listed. So I'm not going to read everything here. So, but the claims they made for cleaning, they said there is mold in the ensuite. I can't remember the amount they claimed, but they claimed a big amount of money. Now, when the decision was made, they were giving £40 for that. Another thing they claimed is cleaning throughout, including oven and appliances, which they gave them £62 for that. Damage to the shower fascia, they did not give them any money for that. Gardening, because they said we didn't tidy the lawn very well, they paid them £25 for that. Redecoration, that is for walls and carpets, they gave them £52.50 for that. And total of £179.50 was given to them, and they gave us £541.50. Okay, so that is it. Most times, if you don't know what to do, they will eat all the money. So assuming I didn't do anything, assuming after they claim all those things, I said, okay, I don't know what to do, they will take that £721. But because I disputed it, because I did that, adjudicator came in and decided on the case, and I got £541. So guys, this video is to encourage you. If you're moving out from the house, try as much as you can to keep the house back to the state it was when you move in, okay? Try to take pictures before and after, okay? And when you do your part, if they go ahead to say, oh, we are claiming all the money, it is your right to also say, no, you can't claim all my money. Go online and dispute it. Let adjudicator step in, okay? You never can tell. You will gain something instead of losing out entirely. There must be something for you to gain. A friend of mine did it recently, and they gave her all her money. The landlord wanted to claim all the money. After she disputed it, she was giving back all the money. You can imagine if she didn't try. Okay, so that's it basically. You know, there is good in sharing knowledge, and that is the essence of this video. Now, if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Let me know if you've experienced this before. Let me know if you know someone that have experienced this before. What did they do? Did they allow their money to go like that, or did they fight for their money? What did you do? Let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.